Yeah, it's 1:35 a.m. I just threw this wig on to make this video, so it's not on or styled the best it could be right now, but it'll do. Okay, hey y'all know what I say every time. I hope I'm in focus because I can't freaking see. But today's video we're going to be doing a hair review on Cynosure hair, Cynosure, however you say it, hair. I will leave all the hair specs below because I can't think of them right now to save my freaking life, and I can't find them. But I do know that I got 3 bundles and a frontal. If my frontal look like it's like boxy right now, it's because that's my freaking edges. Like, I don't understand. So let's go through the hair. I first got this hair. There was no shedding, there was no tangling or anything. I didn't wash the bundles. I just bleached them because you know you're not supposed to bleach clean hair. And I bleached it twice. Like I said, when I first got the hair, it wasn't no shedding, no tangling. But I bleached it twice. And I think I messed up the hair because it sheds and it tangles. And then I did the watercolor method. And I dyed the hair. And I also insert the pictures of the 3 colors that I use. I used 3 orange Adore dyes. And then I washed it, I deep conditioned it, and I put it on my head. And I was styling it and stuff. And it was cool, but it was just so dry. So then I wore it for like a week. And then I was like, okay, this shit is shedding, it's tangling. And it wasn't bad. Like, it's not horrible hair. Like, it's just like, I just brushed this out. So I can run my fingers through it. But if I didn't just brush this out, I might not be able to get it through so smoothly. And it's a lot of tangling at my nape. But like I said, it's because I bleached it twice. I tried to I said, okay, I don't really have that many deep conditioners. I want to do a silicone mix on this head because I'm pretty sure that a silicone mix is what's going to bring this hair back to life. But I don't have $20 to spend on a silicone mix for one wig. So I'm just going to have to wait. I had one like this mayonnaise deep conditioner in my house, and I washed it again and I used that, and it got softer, and it kind of it put the shedding and the tangling to a halt. Then I wore it for like another week or 2, and it was like back at that cycle, so I just stopped wearing it. And then I just put it back on today for this video, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so can you bleach this hair? I feel like you can, but you shouldn't. Well, the only reason why I bleached it twice is because that was my first time ever bleaching hair. And I don't know if it was my fault or the hair's fault, but it was somebody's fault. And the hair did not take the bleach well. It didn't take it well at all. But I think it was because it was my first time and I really didn't know what I was doing. So I bleached it again. Does this hair hold a curl? Yes, this hair hold a curl. Holds a curl really well. That's all I wear in this curls. I wear it like flat on. I wore a flat on curl like 2 times. I might insert something here. If I don't, then just know I forgot. I really like this hair curl. I just really like this hair. Apparently everybody likes this color on me. I like red better on me, but everybody says this is my color, so whoop-de-doo. Another thing with this is when I made the wig and I cut my frontal too short. So yeah, I don't know how this is coming off on camera. Hopefully it don't look ugly, because sometimes on camera it makes things look different than how they appear in person. When it shipped to me, I think it took like 4 days or 5 days or something. I think I ordered it on a Friday and it didn't come to like Wednesday or next Friday. I don't know. I will leave all that information below if I find it, because I deleted my emails. Yeah, if y'all have any more questions, then let me know down below. I seen other YouTubers like dye this hair and stuff, and it was cool for them. Well, at least I think it was cool. They didn't say anything. But yeah. This is where it comes to. Hopefully y'all can see. And the only reason, I keep looking in the viewfinder, but the only reason that I stopped wearing this hair is because I just don't do shedding and I don't do tangling. Like, it's annoying to have hair everywhere you go. Like, I got hair on my jacket, hair on my coat, hair on my shirt, hair on my neck, hair on my arm, hair between my fingers. Like, it's just so annoying. And then, like, I can do a little bit of shedding. I cannot do tangling. Like, tangling is just a deal breaker for me. So the hair was just so dry, and I tried. It's not bad hair though. I feel like, and it's really affordable. If you want something that's like really affordable and quick, then this hair is for you. But I think if you want something to like bleach, then, or like color, I don't really think this is like the route you should take. Only because, like I said, it's probably because I didn't know what I was doing. But just to put it on the safe side, I wouldn't get it if you want to bleach it. But like, if you just want some regular natural color bundles, I would definitely get them, because it was definitely good. Okay, so when I got this hair, it was in this pretty pink package. It came with lashes. Okay, so every bundle came individually wrapped in plastic, and in every plastic bag was lashes. You know, they always send lashes. And then it came with this like card and stuff like that. But my friend ordered from another company, and it had the same exact packaging and stuff. So I mean, like, it's already kind of a known fact that they all like got the same hair and stuff. But I just thought that was crazy. Like, it was the exact same packaging and all of that. It was one minor difference with hers, and I couldn't remember. I think maybe like the card says something slightly different or something like that. But I was just like, okay, that's it for this hair review. If you would like to know anything else about this hair or anything else, leave it in the comments below. My business email is in the description box, so if you want to contact me for any business inquiries, it's all down below. Make sure you follow all my social medias, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, because I upload for you guys, not for myself. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.